Looking to simplify your shopping experience with flexible payments? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through using the Tamara Card, your key to hassle-free shopping. So firstly, you need to activate your card, open the Tamara app and sign up for the Smart Plus subscription. Once subscribed, your Tamara Smart Plus card will be available within the app. After that, link your Tamara Card to Apple or Google Pay or Mata Pay for seamless transaction. At checkout on participating online stores, select Tamara as your payments method. Choose your preferred payments plan. You can pay in full or split into 2, 3, or 4 installments. Complete the purchase using your linked Tamara card. You can also visit participating physical stores. At the point of sale, use your digital wallet to tap and pay with your Tamara card. Select your desired payments plan during the transaction, and monitor your purchases and payment schedules within the Tamara app. Also, you can receive a consolidated monthly statement, simplifying your financial tracking. And that's how you use effortlessly this app and card to enjoy flexible payments and exclusive rewards. Ready to make your shopping smarter? You can download this app and use it, and use our tutorial as your guiding. Guys, enjoy the tutorial. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you soon.